In Photoshop, a mask allows you to hide or show parts of a layer. Imagine you want to remove the background of your image. When you select your subject and create a mask, you're not actually deleting the background. You're just hiding it with a mask. This allows you more flexibility to edit it later to make it look better. A mask is represented in the Layers panel with thumbnails that look like this. Anything that is black will be hidden. Anything that is white will be shown. You can visualize the mask on the canvas by clicking View Mask. Use Subtract from Mask to paint with black, which will hide parts of your layer. Use Add to Mask to paint with white, which will show parts of your layer. On an image layer, it looks like this. And on an adjustment layer, it looks like this. Using a mask is a powerful way to make targeted edits to your image. With a bit of practice, you'll be able to use masks to create stunning, precise effects.